So reality is you can have the best 360 photo booth setup or offer the most competitive pricing. However, if people can't find you, how are you going to get bookings? How are you going to generate dollars? How are you going to get more business? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. So if it's your first time here on this channel is all about growing your 360 photo booth business. My name is David and I am sharing my journey with the whole entire world. So yes, we have subscribers that are coming from Africa, Latin America, and here in the United States where I reside here in California. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. I'm going to show you guys how to get more digital presence by doing something extremely simple. You guys are gonna love it. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open up Google and type in 360 photo booth. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I want you guys to get insight of how popular the 360 photo booth has become over the last few months. I'm gonna go into Google Keyword Planner right here, and then go right here to Keyword Planner. All right, I'm gonna type in 360 photo booth, okay guys? So go here, discover new keywords, and type in 360 photo booth. Now keep in mind, you guys can do this for any type of business. Once you learn these tools as an entrepreneur, you're gonna be unstoppable. You'll be able to help other small businesses to rank local businesses. So I typed in 360 photo booth here. And as you guys can see, there's a crazy amount of monthly searches, anywhere from 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches for 360 photo booth. So for that specific little phrase, 360 photo booth, that's how many searches there is. Now look at 360 spin photo booth, 1,000 to 10,000 views, 900% increase over the last 3 months. That means a lot of people are looking for that term. Look at 360 booth rental, 1,000 to 10,000 searches a month with an increase over the year of 900%. That is super crazy. This is a golden time for us 360 photo booth operators, guys. So look, I'm going to narrow it down to 360 photo booth, Tucson, Arizona. And the reason I'm doing this is what's called a long-tailed keyword. So it's a longer phrase. Okay, look at these guys on the very, very top when I type in 360 photo booth. These are the big players, okay? And then right here, these are the websites. These are the big dogs right here for 360 photo booth, Tucson, Arizona. Now, I'm going to show you guys a strategy on how to get on the very first page of Google without even having to spend money on a website. Now, Google owns YouTube, guys. Don't forget that. And this is why it's so important. I want you, well, let me go ahead and upload a quick video. I'm going to upload a 28-second video to YouTube to show you this strategy and how it works. I'm going to pick a video that I have in here. This video is about 28 seconds long, so it's not going to take us too long here on this video. I'm trying to keep these videos nice and short for you guys, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just select this video here. And while it's uploading, we're going to be doing some other stuff in the background. Now here in title, we're going to type in our keyword, our long tail keyword, which is 360 photo booth, Tucson, Arizona. I'm going to grab that. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to come over back to YouTube here. And I'm going to paste it in the title. Now you want to put it inside of the title. You also want to put it inside the description. And when you put it inside of the description here, hold on, give me one sec. And when you put it inside of the description, you also want to do hashtag. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So let me go ahead and paste it right here really fast here. All right. And then hashtag. And then all together with no spaces. Okay, so whatever city you're in, okay, you're going to be doing this for whatever state and city that you are in because you want to start ranking. You want to start getting popular. You want to start getting more digital authority for those keywords in your city. So I'm going to go ahead and just add this video here. I'm going to add it, copyright. Yeah, because there's a song and there's an MP3 song, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and post it anyway. And it's only going to take a few moments to post. Now, this you're really going to be impressed if you've never seen this before. And it has so many benefits. Okay, so it's processing the HD version right now. So we're going to let it do its thing for right now. I'm going to come over to my dashboard. Look how many subscribers we've gained, guys. The community is growing fast. So I'm going to come over to my channel and I want to show you something. When I go to About section, and this is what you're going to do when you start your when you start your YouTube page, you want to put in your description. You want to put in important keywords, 360 photo booth rental and all that stuff. But this started off as a journey for me, right? A 360 photo booth journey. For you guys are like a straight up 360 photo booth business. By the way, this video right here got massive love. I want to show you something. So In every video that you guys make, in your description, always write these things here. Make sure you guys always include, by the way, if you want to jump into the 360 photo booth, that's a plug right there. Always have your TikTok, your Instagram, your Facebook, your website, these links always embedded. And I mean always in every single video that you put out, because this sends Google signals and it helps you index and get categorized as a 360 photo booth business. So as you guys can see, the video is now uploaded. I'm going to give myself a like. In case no one else gives me a like, I'm going to give myself a like because I'm like that. Okay, so that's done. It's showing that it's already uploaded. So I'm going to come right over here to the Google, right? I'm going to copy that same exact phrase, long tail keyword. I'm going to type it into Google here. And I'm going to see if we're showing up on the very first page. You're probably thinking, David, are you crazy? How are you going to be popping up on the first page? Well, I'm going to show you why. Reason is, when it comes to websites take a while to rank. It could take a few weeks to rank for Google to index it and then show us on the second page, third page, maybe first page, just depending on how much citations you have and all that good stuff. There's a lot to learn, guys, and I'm gonna be pouring out my heart and pouring out this information until the day I RIP. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in 360 photo booth Arizona here. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna open up. Remember, we went to Google keywords, so I left this open. I'm gonna type in this phrase right here: 360 photo booth, Tucson, Arizona. Okay, get results. Okay, so you guys can see that on right here, there's no competition for this keyword, meaning you're gonna be able to rank for it super fast. And when it's no competition, it's easy to rank for these words because you're not competing with anyone really. No one's really taking advantage of this long tail keyword. So if I type it onto YouTube, look at guys, we're on the very top of YouTube. So, you know, YouTube is global, right? It's an international site. And as you guys see, we're already on the very top. So what I'm going to do next is this. I'm going to open up Safari and I'm going to type in that same exact phrase. Okay, the same phrase we put in our description on our YouTube video. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. These are the big players. Bam, there we are right there, guys, on the very first page near the top. And we're the only ones with the video on the first page. So what's going to happen next is, look at all these people right here, man. They put in so much work and effort into their stuff. And here we are within just a few minutes already on the very top with a video. So that's the power of Google and YouTube when you use them correctly. Now I'm just going to put it in here into Google Chrome as well, just to make sure that it's showing on both Safari and Google Chrome here. There we are. Perfect. I love it. So when people click on that video, okay, they're going to check out the video. And then what they're going to do next is they're going to go into your comments section. And it's important to have all that information because look at that. Now they have access to your TikTok, to your Instagram, Facebook, and website so they can contact you right away if they're interested in running a 360 photo booth. Now, it's very important you guys also set up your Google My Business. If you guys haven't done so, when you're finished watching this video, go and start your Google My Business. It's free. You're going to need it